Guys, no way XRP just hit $52 and oh my god, it just flew to $64.92. Oh my god, this is insane. Oh my god, what is going on right now? The market, boys. The market, XRP, literally XRP hit 300. Damn, how is this even possible? How is it even possible? You're talking over 26,000%. What the heck is going on in the last 24 hours? $400. What? This must be a prank. Who's pranking me? How the heck is XRP at 37,000? Holy shoot, bro. $100,000 in XRP. What? That's insane. That is exactly the expectation that I have for XRP. If you're wondering about the previous video, it was actually a glitch that happened with XRP. XRP in that glitch went all the way up to $360,000. Yes, mind-blowing. But guys, it is so close. The time has come for us to start to actually prepare ourselves for the crazy pump that's going to be happening for XRP. And we're going to be showing you guys this in today's video. Now, of course, I do want to ask you guys to please like the video and subscribe, because if you want to see videos like this that really let you know what's going on with the crypto market and that talk to you about XRP and exactly what's going on with the market. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button to be ready, and to, of course, stay tuned. Now, of course, we're going to be talking about what we are about to see in the very, very, very near future. Again, the patterns are beautiful. This is what we're talking about, the pump, the dip, cup and handle, and exactly the dip that we are looking for. And this is what I've constantly reiterated in my videos. This is what we want. This is what we need. If we didn't get this dip right here, well, guess what? The pump that's supposed to come, it would not have existed. But the fact that it's doing this makes me so happy. And you guys don't even know, because every single time I see the market dip like this, in the fashion and in the way that I had literally let you guys know only weeks ago, it just goes ahead, hypes me up, and gets me excited to be prepared to see my profit margins pump to the sky. And now we're going to show you guys why, because I know I'm excited and I want to make you guys excited with me. Let's just quickly have a look at the pattern. We see the pump right here, the cup and handle, and then the dip with the starting of the consolidation. And if we zoom in real quick and really focus in on what we're looking at right here, we're going to be able to see that the consolidation phase has really started. It's a small one, that's for sure, but it has actually begun. We are starting to consolidate, and that's what we're looking for. So remember, pump, cup and handle, and down, and then starting of consolidation. And guess where we're looking at once again? The 2018 bull run, my favorite chart to have a look at, because it is so in particular with XRP's 2021/2022 bull run identical. It is like exactly the same, and it's really good to know and great to see, to kind of get a reference and to reiterate exactly what I was saying, that XRP's 2020 bull run or 2021's bull run is identical to the 2018 bull run, and that if everything follows the way it should, we're going to get a pump exactly the way we did in 2018. And this has proved exactly the way we predicted, with the pump that occurred right here in April also being something that we have predicted and that actually happened in April and May of 2018's bull run. But let us look back to 2018's fake out bull run, and that's what I like to call it, before the real big pump. What happened then is the big question. Look at this. Pump, cup, handle, right here. And then what happened right after that? A pump, and then the dip. Now just give me a guess what you guys think happened in 2018. So here it is, actually the 2018 bull run graph, and I'm going to show you guys what happened. Pump, cup and handle. You have the pump and the dip. Look at that. And then what happens after that? You have the consolidation. This is the phase that we're talking about. We've already reached the very end of the spectrum for the bull run. And in the next very short little bit, we're going to see the rest reflect into it. And of course, what is the rest? The rest is a bit of consolidation increase, and eventually the thousands of percentage increases for XRP. Now, it's quite shocking that nobody has made a video or nobody has discussed this except very few. And of course, this is because a lot of people don't want to show you guys this reality, that we're coming to a point in time where XRP is about to all-time high once again and outbeat its previous all-time high of $3.32. Now, what we do understand is every bull run has to outbeat its competitor. So its previous bull run always has to be beat. And what happened and what percentages last bull run was, look at that, 1,400%. So I can only imagine this bull run has to outbeat that 1,400%. And just looking at 1,400% from today, we are talking about around $9 minimum. That's of course without outbeating its previous year. So we can only predict that it's going to be significantly higher, maybe even hitting that 1,800 or 2,000. And talking about 2,000% increase, you're talking at around $10.50, closer to 11. Now, of course, this is huge numbers for XRP, a crypto that is less than $1, and it's currently actually priced at around 60 cents, almost 61 cents. But the truth is that the entire crypto market is right now not in the greatest place, and this is very normal for a time prior to the biggest pump that is supposed to happen in the crypto bull run. So of course, this is perfectly normal. If you're worried, don't worry. I just showed you guys this is what we are expecting. You need this dump so that way you can consolidate. Look at the 2018 bull run. What happened before, the consolidation and the peak? The pump. And it's quite clear. If we look at it, it's right here. Look at this. Look at this. You had a pump and people were freaking out because look at this pump. Look, it went from 29 cents to 18 cents. A huge crash. And then it consolidated for a little bit. And then after that, it did a pump. And then it did another collapse. And then eventually it pumped. So at the time where most people believed it was done and it was going to die and crypto was done forever, look what ended up happening. The huge, biggest pump that really is what made the crypto bull run in that year. And of course, like I showed you guys, it was about 1,400%. So I just thought I'd make this video and tell you guys, don't worry about it. I'm monitoring the charts for you guys. And this is why you guys should subscribe, because I'm doing all the hard work for you. I'm showing you guys the charts. I'm showing you guys the proof that backs all the information I'm giving you guys. I'm showing you guys proof from where I'm getting my percentages, all my numbers from. It's right there. The price chart that I gave you right now is not just out of my own mouth. I didn't just make it up. I didn't just blabber it out and say $7 looks like a lucky number. No, I did not say that. What I said is statistics prove using previous historical charts that the pump always has to outbeat its previous pump. And likewise happened in 2013's bull run, which was huge as well. But it had to have been outbeat, and we seen it get outbeat in which bull run? The 2018, and it got outbeat significantly in the 2018 bull run. We're talking probably thousands more. Let's just do a quick check from the percentages. Oh wow, look at this. So you're talking, it was about 1,000% increase in 2013's bull run, and then in about 2018's bull run, it was about 400% increase more. So using this prediction, we can predict that it's about another 400% increase from the number that was 1,400, the 2018 bull run high percentage. So we're looking at, with our calculations, approximately 1,800% increase in this year's peak bull run. 1,800% brings us to, like I showed you guys earlier, closer to that $10, $9.50 mark. So I just want to reaffirm for you guys, don't worry about it. Like I said before, I probably said that now 3 times. Don't worry about it. Hit that subscribe button. Update you guys if I see anything that really stands out. If the pattern breaks, then there's a new chart. Look out, and we really have to pay attention. But up until now, in the past few weeks, I've been making videos and I've been showing you guys everything is on the dot. I can only imagine what people were thinking right here when I said in May and June and July that look at this, is going to crash and then it's going to recover. And people were saying it's impossible, it's done, crypto is gone forever. And what happened? The huge pump that I called. And then on top of that, every single time it dipped, I already reassured everybody, listen, This is not the end. It's going to recover, and then there is another bottom that we have to hit, and that's what happened. We had this bottom, we hit this low, and then it recovered, like I said, and boom, I told him there's going to be a second bottom, and there it is. So everything up until now is literally off the charts. So what I'm telling you guys now is basically me looking at 2018's bull run and then looking at the 2021's bull run and telling you guys, look at the comparison. They're identical. They're extremely close, maybe off by a few bars or so, but that's really irrelevant in the large scheme of things. And in addition to this, yes, maybe the 2021 bull run is a little extended and maybe the consolidation is a little longer, or the time it takes when it dumps is a little longer, or the time it pumps is a little longer. Those are all factors that render irrelevant when you're looking at the bigger picture. When you're looking at, is the pattern following each other, yes or no, that is where you see the biggest and most magnificent picture, the bigger idea. While if I'm looking at every single bar, like I've seen a lot of people do, this is just nonsense. You're not going to get any info from it because every bar is going to be different. One day you're going to see the market crash, and it might not even be because it's following the analysis, or it's not following. It's because you have somebody like Elon Musk or somebody known that has huge influence manipulate the market. And so we're talking, look at the broader picture, because that nobody can really manipulate. Nobody can manipulate a big year-long cycle or 4-year-long cycles. Nobody can do that. And so if we look at every individual bar, yes, you're going to see flaws. But if you look at the bigger picture, 2021, 2018, you're going to see something huge, and that is they are extremely similar. They are very close alike. And if you tell a person by getting 2 screenshots of 2021 and 2018's bull run, they're going to tell you the end result is probably going to be the same. And this is why we say the pump will occur. The end result will be the same. We are going to see those increases. We are going to get happy. We are going to get those profit margin gains. It's only a matter of time, and we only have to look forward and, of course, pay attention. And this is why I do the work for you, and all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys understood this video and it was simple for you guys. I'm trying to shift into simplified videos so that all the people that really don't understand charts are able to understand what I'm talking about. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I see you in the next video, and have a wonderful day.